If your car rental feels like a long goodbye, you're not driving with Hire More Car. Picture this: your contract with Hire More Car is ending and you're ready for a vehicle swap. Here's how it effortlessly unfolds. First, you'll return your current vehicle. It goes straight to our supplier for a quick inspection, checking for anything beyond the usual wear and tear. Found a scratch or two? No worries. Any necessary refurbishments are simply deducted from your deposit. What's left? That goes straight back into your pocket. Now for the exciting part, picking your new vehicle from our diverse fleet. Whether you're looking for something sportier or need a bit more space, we've got you covered. Pay the deposit and voila! Your new vehicle is ordered and scheduled to be ready for collection the moment you hand over the keys to your old one. Seamless transitions, no fuss, and you're back on the road in no time. That's the Hire More Car promise.